Hi everyone, welcome back to Spark Plugin's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can elevate your Squarespace images without using any code. And you might be thinking, how am I going to elevate my Squarespace images without using any code? Well, if you use Spark Plugin, you don't need any code and you have hundreds of options. So without further ado, let me show you exactly how. So the first thing you're going to need is Spark Plugin. So you're going to click on the icon and then click on your image. And from here, you can click on image styles and you can select the different customizations. So the first one is shadow, creates the shadow. You can also change the shadow color if you wanted to. You can add a hover animation or not. You can also change the corners to soft, round, square. And you can also change the shadow depth over here. The next one is solid shadow. So as you can see, it's a solid shadow. You can change the shadow color to whatever you'd like. You can change which corner it comes from, where you want the shadow offset to be, and the corners, what you would want them to be. Okay, and then you can choose border, and from here, you can also change the border width, the border color, and you can change the border corners from round to softest to softer to soft or square. Then we have 3D, which creates this 3D look. You can take off that shadow color or you can add a shadow color. You can decide if it has a hover animation or not, and then what you want the corners to be like once again. Then you can choose split, and you can decide if it has a hover animation or not, and the split distance, very easy. And then you can choose arrow. I'll show you it really quick. We're going to click exit, and then as you could see, there is an arrow for this image. And there you have it. Now you know how to style your Squarespace images without using any code to make them more engaging and interactive. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.